All right, thank you, Autumn. All new here tonight at 5 o'clock. A fresh debate now brewing surrounding New York's controversial green light law. Tonight, our Hannah Buehler is breaking down a new amendment to that law.
They basically criminalize police work in this budget.
I just think it's wrong to put the lives and rights of illegal immigrants over law enforcement.
It's a change made to the green light law that allows undocumented immigrants the ability to get a New York State driver's license. The original law prohibited the sharing of DMV information to any federal agency in charge of immigration. Now an amendment has been made, making it a felony for those officers to share that information with DHS or ICE.
Border Patrol working, in the dark of the middle of the night on a highway, pulls over a vehicle. They can't run the plate to determine who the registered owner of the vehicle is.
U.S. Attorney for the Western District of New York, J.P. Kennedy, has some serious concerns about this. He says it not only impacts safety and security in Western New York, but nationally as well.
If a law enforcement officer in Texas ran across a New York State registered vehicle, they could not run that plate if it was any officer who was involved in the enforcement of immigration laws.
Kennedy says this amendment to the green light law was done silently amidst a global pandemic slipped in the 2020 budget.
Forces one branch of law enforcement to obstruct the mission of another branch of law enforcement.
This is shocking. This is unheard of, and especially during such a pandemic.
Erie County Clerk Mickey KEARNS, who has been at the forefront of the green light law debate, is calling for an immediate repeal of this law and change.
Someone at such a high level who's under so much pressure, the governor, thought about that, to put that in there. We just had, I think it's approximately 29 people of our law enforcement people in the state of New York that just died from COVID. And they're criminals now?
And we did reach out to the governor's office for a comment today, but have not heard back. Hannah Buehler, 7 Eyewitness News.